Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add songs from TikTok to your CapCut PC easily. So go to audio and select TikTok, and it's going to load resource. I've already connected mine, I think. If you haven't, you are just going to select this bit right here, and you're just going to basically log in to your TikTok on CapCut PC. So go to menu and go back to home page, and here you are going to, I'm just going to log out real quick so I can show you. But when you go back to home page, select sign in, and you're going to select sign in with TikTok. You're then going to select authorize, open up the CapCut app again, and select a project. Then go to audio, then again go to TikTok. Now it's actually available for you to see the all of the songs. I wasn't able to do that because it was a lot of it was copyrighted, but now a lot of things have shown up, as you can see. And to add it to your video, you're just going to select download and press the plus button there. And that is basically it. I'm so glad you're able to do this now. You don't have to go back. But again, not all songs are available, like the songs from artists, but most of the original sounds are available, so you can definitely use that instead. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!